Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas, and in this short video I will show you how to install a WordPress theme, how to activate it, how to deactivate and remove it if you want, or how to change WordPress theme. Okay, everything you need to know about the installation of a WordPress theme. Let's go to do it. I'm on my dashboard right now. This site is empty. If I visit the front end of the site, you see there is the default WordPress theme 2024. Okay. So I go back, and then to install the theme you have to go to Appearance and then click on Themes, and here you see some themes that are already here on the website, but they are not activated. Only one is activated. Only one theme can be activated at one time. Okay, so here it shows that this 2024 theme is activated, but if I want, there is another theme here that is available, or these are available, and I can just activate this one. Let's do like that. I will explain. There are options to have free themes or paid themes. Okay, the paid themes of course offer more features, but many times free themes are totally enough for many cases. Okay, so you don't have to pay necessarily a pro theme, paid theme. So let's say I want to change this 2024 to the Astra. The Astra theme is a very nice theme, and it has free and pro version. Here is installed the free version. I just click activate here, and now the Astra theme will be activated on the site instead of 2024. If I go here and I refresh the page, you see that now it has changed. What does it mean? That the theme is the frame on the website. Okay, is the frame that the website operates on it, and each theme has different frame, different features, offer different ways to customize it. It depends the theme, and for what you need the theme, there are themes for blogging, themes for e-commerce shop, themes for business websites, for business directories, for schools, LMS themes, okay, many different themes. So it depends what you need the theme, then you find one which is fit and is good for what you need. Okay, and there are some ones that are very general and they can cover many cases. Like the Astra theme, it can cover many cases. Like the Ocean WP theme also can cover many cases. Okay, so here we see now that we have activated the Astra. The site always has to have a theme. You can't delete now the Astra before you deactivate it. If you want to delete and remove the Astra from the site, you have first to change, to deactivate it. So you activate back the 2024, and then you go to theme details here on the Astra, and here you have the option or to activate it again or to delete it. I click delete it. Okay, and now the Astra theme has been removed totally from the website. Okay, we can do it with the rest. So you see, you don't need the rest of the themes to be there, just delete them. One theme has to stay always there because the site cannot be without a theme. Okay, so let's say you want to add a new theme. You have to go here and it says add a new theme. You click this, and you have two options to add themes. You have the option to choose a free theme from the WordPress directory, and here is the WordPress directory where you can choose the theme that you like. You come here and you search also on the bar. If you know already the name, you can put here on the bar the name of the theme that you want. Or you scroll down here and you find the theme you like, or there are here some categories like latest, popular, okay? And here, let's say you want to see this one, you can have a preview. You click preview before you install it. So you scroll down and see what it is. You can read also some info here if you want, and you can click install if you want, or if you don't like it, you click the X here and you go back. Okay, let's see another one. You can click also preview another one. You see, so you can judge before you install it if this is something that fits for your needs. Okay, so this is let's install now this, because we open it, preview, here we install it, and now this theme will be installed, and then we have to activate it. If we don't activate it, the other one which is already activated will still be activated. Now we activate it, and now you see here that we have it and it says active. It's called variations and it's active. If we refresh the page, now we have this theme. this is the magic of WordPress also, that there are so many themes available that you just use it, you change the text, you change your logo, few images, and you have a website in a few clicks. Okay, that was the first option, to add the WordPress theme from the WordPress directory, the free themes. Before we continue, if you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. Let's continue with the video now. Now I will show you how to upload the theme that you have purchased, a premium theme, and same way like a premium WordPress plugin, you have it in a zip file and you upload it through here. Also the same button, you click add new theme, but then there is an option here, it says upload theme. Okay, so you click here the upload theme, here you click choose file, and then I have one for the demo here, it's called the newspaper theme. I click this and then I click install now. So this way I upload it from my computer, okay, because let's say I have purchased this theme and it's a premium theme, and I upload it directly from my computer. Okay, it has been activated and installed successfully, and now we'll go to the themes, okay, and we have to activate it because it's still active, the previous one, the variations. Now we'll go here on the newspaper and we'll click activate. And if you see here, it says now that the newspaper theme is active. So if we go to visit the front side, you see now that it's changed now. Those are the two ways you can install and activate a new theme, from the free directory or from your computer if you have a premium theme. Okay, that's all for this video. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like it, subscribe to my channel for more videos about WordPress and make money online. Comment below and let me know what type of videos you want me to create, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.